Hi everyone, this is Ivy from Clara and welcome to another episode of Untold Thoughts. Yan! So it's been a month. Yes, it's been a month that I didn't post anything here. And I want to continue the episode of the job interview next time. And I'm planning to have a part 3 of manipulation on how to deal with them. Although during my posting and during my doing the podcasting itself or sharing the thoughts about it in part 1 and part 2, nagbigay na rin ako ng tips about it. And yeah, so I hope that you have a good day and have a good night. Di ba? Ngayon. Sige. So ngayon, we will go to the another topic na hindi rin mawala-wala. Okay? Until now, in this modern era, actually very modern na ngayon kasi it's not just that you have a lot of, ang tawag dito, hindi lang kasi ibig sabihin you have a lot of modern technology na ngayon na mas mabilis and convenient na that one. Ngayon kasi I consider it as a new normal because new normal in different ways. Even I myself, I experience it, and I know some of you experience it. Like change your values, to change your perspective in a way that you can be a best version of you. So yun ang ano dun eh. But this topic is all about we will do this topic na mahal ko o mahal ako or na the one that I love and the one who loves me. So it's a little minute of topic, but this one is always talking in different perspective. So I asked in my social media, and they did the poll. Dapat wala may sound ako next time, no? Pag may mga, I did the poll. When you're doing that, no? So, yeah, actually, ang nanalo is that yung mahal ka, okay, or the one who loves you. Okay, sige. Before we proceed, before we proceed on the episode, I would like to thank those of my followers, although they are small, but I really want to thank you guys. And I hope you enjoy pa din yung podcast. Even it's just a random topics. Kasi nga, it's just a society culture. So, if you're a overthinker like me, go ahead. And, ayun, nakakatawa lang. I did this podcast kasi hindi naman para maging famous ako or what. But because I want to have peace of mind. Sometimes kasi, if you're talking, I love talking eh. But, in reality, if you're talking with somebody, diba? You're talking with somebody, not all people you're talking with is that they want to hear you. And that's why there's some instances that I don't want to talk. Yes, that's why I am very thankful that yun po. Okay? So, let's go to the topic. Mahal ka or mahal mo? The one who loves you or the one who love you? No. The one I love pala, sorry. The one who loves you and the one I love. Ayan. Well, for me, sige, ako, it's based on my experience. I'm a type of person that I'm easy to love. And during my younger days, I'm easy to love. For example, if you show me just a little things, because little things to me is that it's already precious. Even it's not that pricey, or kaya it's not just expensive, but it gives a lot of memories. It's a precious too. So ganito. So I have this 4 years relationship and he loves me a lot. He loves me a lot and ano yun eh, unexpectedly. So I don't know if he heard about this, but I would like to share na he loves me. Paano? Kasi I'm I'm one of the boys. Kaya nga pinagkakamalan akong tomboy noon. Kasi talagang, alam mo yun, wala kasi akong kapatid na lalaki. So, maybe that's why I used to get along with the boys. Okay? With the guys, different guys. So, ang dami kong kaibigan na lalaki talaga. Even in the org, most of them ay lalaki, yung mga ahead sa akin for the younger generations na most of it like girls. I don't know why. And then, yeah, and most of my friends are guy and gay, but they are still male. Also, don't be, masaktan. Pero kasi, ang sexes nila is male. Okay? So, yun. Yun yung ano ko naman. Okay, justification ko doon. Pero, sabi ko nga, mahal talaga ako ng tao. So, another topic na bakit kami nag-break. Pero, ayun. So, when he told me that maybe I get them. And then I came by, sige, try ko. Although, interested ako kasi nga, mas usap yung tao eh. Alam mo yun? I enjoy. Kasi, ang tagal mong walang naging, dito, kausap sa subdivision mo. Na kasing, alas kasing edad mo lang, di ba? So, okay, I'm quite interested. And then, he show a lot of things. Talagang nag-pursue siya. So, yun. Na-fall na din ako. So, yun lang. Kasi, yun lang. Pero, let's go to the comments. And, nag-search ako ng mga, dito, mga nanang tao. So, depende daw kasi. Pag mahal mo, sometimes it goes in the pros and cons. Diba? The one. Siyempre, talagang, you will give everything. Yung, talaga yung, you work from it, talagang, you don't care kung ano meron sa kanya. Kasi mahal mo eh. Diba? So, gagawa ka talaga ng paraan. Ayan, mahal mo. So, you will do everything. Wala kang pakay kung anong yung ugali niya. You just love that person. No matter what he or she is. Diba? So, yun ang ano doon. But the cons daw, it's become the one-sided daw. What if that person is that he or she didn't love you, pero mahal mo, and didn't love you back. Okay? So, yun ang ano doon. Pero sabi nga, that mahal ko, you love that person. Pero meron naman mga times na, yes, you love that person, but that's why you love him or her, you let go them. Kasi, they love other person. Ouch. Pero 'di ba, totoo naman. Yun ang ano doon. And then, let's go uh, to the one who loves you. Okay? Yung mahal ako. Ayun. So, mahal ako, syempre, ito yung ano eh, ito yung talagang aalagaan daw talaga. Kasi that person will not hurt you so much. Kasi nga, he or she loves you much more. Parang pag ano, nagkikita kayo, he or she take care of you, he or she doesn't invalidate your feelings, your emotions, your opinions, kasi ganun siya. But the thing is, ang ano lang doon, yun ang ano, ang cons lang doon is that if you didn't reciprocate those efforts ng nagmamahal sa'yo. Kasi may mahal kang iba. O, di ba? Yun ang ano doon. So, yeah. And that's how the mahal ko or mahal ako. Ayan. Actually, there's a lot of debate talaga, I think. No, it's just an opinion from different persons. Okay. And I want to know about your opinion about this. So, ito lang, maikli lang to eh. Pero, in the bottom line, ayan lang. So, yun yung ano ng mahal ko and mahal. Napakaikli lang. So, this one, okay. Loving someone or you love someone or someone loves you. You're very blessed because why you choose a thing, di ba? You don't need to choose. But because love is everywhere. Actually, ang dami nasasaktan sa love. Yung mga nasaktan sa love at may gustong ng love. But love is very precious thing that you will feel and that you will experience in your life. So, ang dami talaga. Mas okay nang mahalin mo ang sarili mo at mahalin mo ang sa paligid. And you just balance things. Ito yung ano na natin, wrap up. Okay? So, ano yun eh, maganda kung mahal nyo ang isa't isa. Kasi naman kung hindi niyo mahal ang isa't isa, ang hirap naman nun, 'di ba? How you have that kind of long relationship, kaya how how you get along if you didn't love each other. So, para sa'kin, wala, okey? Kasi I do believe until now that all of us has a right person or may nakatadhana sa atin talaga. Pero sana naman Lord, sabay gano'n ano, pero sana naman Lord dumating na, pero sana hindi na ako saktan, ayun 'yun. So 'yun naman ang gusto natin 'di ba, dumating na yung tamang tao or kaya dumating man siya, sana tanggapin niya kung anong meron ako. That's why if that someone ay dumating na, di mo kasi masasabi yun, eh, na dumating na yung right person sa'yo, okey? It's just a snap. I do believe it's just a snap that you took, okay? So, you just if you're single like me, kung mag alam gagawa ako ng isang segment about how yung about the long-term single era. Tama ba yung term ko? Whatever, but basta yun yung ano dun. And then, talagang paano ko siya na-handle? Paano na-handle? Pero masaya maging single ha, fairness. Now, right now, especially, I do love myself. Hindi naman pagiging selfish. Kasi kung pagiging selfish yung ano, yan dadating tayo dyan. Selfish or self-love. Di ba? Yun ang ano natin, topic natin sa susunod. Okay? So, yan. Mahal ko or mahal ka. Pero nasa sa inyo pa din yan. Kung yun ang ano dun. Pero yun ang aking opinion about it. Mas maganda kung mahal niyo yung isa't isa. Para at the end of the day, you have that happy ever after did exist. Oh, did exist. Okay. Okay, exist siya. Happy ever, ano pa ba yung ano, if ever, whatever. Nalimutan ko yung lyrics. Pero, love exists. Okay. Kasi, kung walang love, wala ka dito. Paano nasabi yon? If your parents didn't love each other, wala ka sa mundong ito. Okay, that's why love exists. Okay. Yan. So, spread love and don't forget to love yourself also. Okay? When we're loving someone and someone's loved you, don't forget yourself. Tira sa sarili. Yun na. Okay. So, that's it. I hope na justify ko. Justify talaga. Or I hope na maging interesting. Sige. So, yeah. O nga no. Wala lang. May pumasok lang sa isip ko. This is the love series. Okay. Sige, the love series. Ayun lang natin. And, yeah. So, thank you all guys for listening and see you on another episode of Untold Thoughts. Have a great day and bye!